Hi guys, so today we are going to be playing, you know it, you guessed it, City Park Tycoon 2. So let's just load our game. Scariest park ever, confirm. Okay, just need to check anything, no, just wait for my park to load. I don't know, I want to get stuck in here, so I have to run. Oh, good. Wait, what happened to the ride? What happened here? Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Now we're happy. Okay, now let's go to the place where I was doing something. Here. Ugly skeletons. Okay. So let's start getting the time down. Down. And down. This one down. Go down. Down. Okay, let's just get this down. This will go down. This will go down. This will go down. This will go down. And then again. And again. And again. And again. And again. And again. Okay, if you're wondering what I'm doing, I am going to make an underground kid ride. Even though there's no kids coming, only teenagers and grown-ups. I think teenagers and grown-ups? No, actually, fully grown-ups are only coming on my part. But I want to make a fun ride for everyone in this park. So now let's do that. Okay. So this is enough. Ouch! Wait, what? Down. So now block manipulation. Grass. Let's see. Like here. Okay, let's just go upstairs and do this. Here we are upstairs. Okay. This. 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 There we go. No, how about here? Let's go down here. No, how about here? Yeah, this would be better. Okay. Everyone would go down. Look, it's kind of dark in here. So let's go to scenery, props. I think I should do torch. Torch wall. Yep. The torches being on these would be cool. You'll just keep one there too. So most of them are flying. Okay, that's enough. Let's just put some more. And then it will be enough. Okay, now let's go to rides. We're gonna get rid of that right now. Okay, let's go back to rides. Where is it? Roller coasters. Here. When the one that my person can do it. Where is it? Oh here, cat. Here. Okay, and then go straight. This and that. There. Looks like we'll have to do something with this. First, let's test it. Yep, it's good. So now let's redo the stairs. Destroy, destroy, destroy. Actually, I think I should have. Pat. This. This. And then this. This. Okay, I'm kind of stuck here. got a hand stuck here. Oh, I have an idea. So let's go back to pets. This. Let's go here. Okay. And then it's this. Okay. And then oh my god, this is so hard. But I never give up. I always try until I get it.
क्या कर रही हो?
I can't put that there, guys.
Can you stop making me video? What are
What
you
should
doing?
I do, guys?
Can you help me something for something? What are you building in my Tycoon?
It's my Tycoon.
Can you make some more lights? I couldn't see.
You mean you can't see? Okay, I think I have a good idea.
I don't know.
But first, let's get the torches again. Torch. Yeah, one. I don't know. I'll check later. No.
To turn it on?
I have 2 minutes left.
I don't know.
Okay, guys. In the next video, I am going to in the next video, I will have this found out of how to like get this here. Well, anyways, bye. Oh, and by the way, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and comment down below. Bye.